Hello, we're gonna watch Monsters vs. Aliens because I missed it when it aired and David's here, so, but you know how that goes. Why are you doing that? You know how that goes when... Okay, so we're gonna watch Monsters vs.
It didn't work.
And now,
Yeah, 'cause
You're
you're
not done.
stupid. I am!
Monsters vs. Aliens.
Monsters vs. aliens. It's us versus them. Foe versus friend. Rain versus
That's me, Culverton.
super freaky job.
Oh yeah,
It's freaky.
NBA.
We're such dorks.
Versus aliens.
I'm such a nerd, lol. LMAO.
NBA.
Anyway. I hope this one isn't gonna be disgusting.
Or too scary.
I don't think it'll be too scary. Ew! What is that? Is that cheese?
I bet it's
It's cheese. Bob's gonna be eating pizza or something.
No, the footsteps.
Oh, I didn't know!
The noises,
Withering
though.
infants, like you never had a touch of jowl ooze. Oh, that
Jowl
looks
ooze.
tasty.
Ew.
Ew, so that's probably
I like
coming
the
from
soldier
under
who puts
his
it out through a case of the sniffles.
thingies.
Unlike Link, who takes a sick day if he eats too many cinnamon buns. Hey! Oh.
Those look good, though.
I got to lay down.
And
Why would you do it?
Me.
Intentionally?
I find Earth's obsession with hygiene rather childish and both.
This will be a funny reaction video.
Are they all right?
Always together.
Nothing too serious, but it appears Coverton's alien sniffle has a much more powerful effect on the people of Earth.
Einstein confirmed the doctor's diagnosis. Earth people are incredibly weak and frail.
That's not what I said.
What
No.
exactly are we dealing with here,
Defending
Doctor?
humankind.
Instant
Yeah, humankind.
ultra-contagious
Actually, I was
super
thinking
flu.
about cockroach.
In related news, I'm
Oh,
going
that's
to
your-
pass out now.
Oh, it's okay. It doesn't hurt as much as it did before. What the heck just happened?
No one
I
blames
think he
the
passed
cinnamon
out because
bun.
he was
No.
playing with the snot.
Gross.
Get that snot spraying sicko out of here ASAP.
Unhand me, human cretins.
Keep him locked down before he infects my entire face.
I am an ambassador of the galactic world. Infect.
Isn't his chair powered by his telekinesis?
My brain. Apparently, I make an instant, ultra-contagious super flu. If I could spread it around the day.
Please stop touching it.
Oh, those are my leopard pants. Anyway, infect everyone and I'll have the base
Disgusting.
to myself, free to pilfer their most tip-top tippy secret. Now,
His legs.
devious lock.
His skinny legs.
Oh,
Sick.
that'll stop.
Dude.
Try on.
Old Henry. Ew, not Old
Oh,
Henry.
that is just unsanitary.
It didn't get on him.
Down goes
Okay,
Henry.
it did. It's just the lighting. Down goes Henry.
Oozing with anticipation.
Oozing. Anticipation.
High five party.
Did somebody
What if
say
Tim
high
Curry voiced
five party?
Culverton?
That would be great.
That'd be awesome. Okay. And he just put it in their ears.
Like, way in their ears. Like, see how long his fingers are? He went like...
I don't...
So he's like...
I'm not a
for
fan.
his-
Fly, my orange pitties.
What?
Ew.
Ew! No!
I'm hit, mama.
You incompetent fool.
Ew. Alright, this is fucking...
I don't like this.
I was nearly
That's my favorite game too. Oh, Rachel. Whoa.
Oh, that's disgusting. Me too.
I like what happened
Simpletons
to
make it
Bob when he's sick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy, Daddy.
What?
I'm gonna ride the pretty pony.
Hello?
What?
Anyone not drowning in a pool of your own fever sweat? No? Goody! The place is mine! The place is mine!
Oh my god.
Overton.
I love him. Oh!
Selfie. Hold on, I gotta drink.
I need to rewind that bit. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Oh. Look at his
Okay, if Taylor or Khaki is watching this, if you could go back into that episode and take a picture of the screenshot where Coverton has the picture of
Minimize it
naked...
and get the snipping tool out.
No!
Well, they'll see it.
That was perfect. Oh my god, that's canon as hell. He's like, yeah, these are my boyfriend's movies. You jealous? What happened?
Ew.
This is
This
too
is
much
the
gross!
episode in the world.
You didn't see number 7. Well,
Oh, yeah.
number 7 wasn't that gross. It was just the premise of the episode. Like, the whole episode was just about Squeak needing to take a
Did you
poop.
notice the label on the door said this room does not exist?
No.
Nothing. Definitely not stealing any... What are you doing, Constance?
Pony ride.
Pony ride.
You have a nice pony. I will call you Becky Tiny Horse. I love you so much.
Let's go, you insufferable blue crew bag.
You won't be poison me.
Yes, I most certainly...
Dad, pony.
That's weird.
Anyone?
Dude, what if Bob always had wings like that?
Yeah, ew.
Overton?
Squeak! Oh, excellent. Where are you?
Where's
General
Stabby?
Maya has ordered
There she is!
the aliens into nurse duty.
I do not understand. Why do we baby the weak instead of harvesting their organs for our dessert pies?
I agree.
Different nurse.
She's a
They
nurse.
should do that with their own
Moisten the
species.
feverish foreheads.
Her species is probably just not weak.
I must find the best place for this thermo meat taker.
Frankly, you are fortunate to be in lockdown.
Yes, lockdown.
Pony! Pony!
Bob? Oh, good, you found him.
Oh, good. Look at him. He's gone mad.
I rode in the Ferris wheel, but it made me spin up like this.
Yeah. When Bob gets sick, he totally hallucinates.
I'd say he currently thinks he's a 5-year-old
It's in
girl.
his
That's gotta be
eyebrows.
fair.
You promised me funnel cake.
Well, someone come take
That's
care of
me.
him then. I'm a very sick alien.
Your stupid space flu got us sick. You deal with it.
You
Susan's hot.
honestly expect me to play nanny to some
Especially
phony
now since she's got a
obsessed
fever.
girl until everyone recovers.
Nah, Bob
But,
knew it was before that.
New hallucination.
David's
What
actually
in the
doing
name of
things in a
God
reaction
alien
video, you
wild
guys.
cat are you talking about?
Oh yeah, for the next episode.
No army. What be your business
His
aboard the
sword is made of
pirate, you
himself.
trolling bobber?
Where did you get an eye patch?
Skewer your bones for me, mustard.
Oh, I'm...
Oh, that's fine.
Oh
my
you
God.
see me rope that doggy?
I'm not your doggy.
Nah.
Doggy.
Where now put my branding iron? Oh, there it is.
This episode, okay, this is actually pretty funny despite being so disgusting.
I'm Blob Man.
I'm the blob man.
Extremely busy, Coverton.
And I'm in peril of life and limb.
I want a
Oh, Henry.
Henry.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Babe, me one hot cocoa and a cinnamon bun.
Burning hot over here.
That'll work.
Blanky, blanky, blanky! Blanky, blanky, blanky!
What?
I will open your
Is that
belly and
you?
make a blankie from
Yeah.
your
Like when
insides
you're
if you
sick.
do not stay
Yeah.
in that bed.
But I'm sick.
Scream! You're a scientist. Make a hallucination antidote or something.
I, Mother, was occupied. But do not worry. Dr. Cockroach is already working on an antidote.
Oh, baby.
Unacceptable. I need that antidote now.
Cloverton sounds.
Cloverton noises.
Someone hasn't been flossing. Yes, I'm afraid they're gonna have to come out.
His teeth should look a lot worse.
Enough! Mercy! I surrender. I'm sorry I ever infected you. All I ever wanted was to explore forbidden areas and steal experimental super weapons.
Thought she'd steal our super weapons, eh? Well, not in my US of A von Brudelheim.
What is a von Brudelheim? Antidote! Where is that confounded antidote?
Perhaps this
Working
one.
on it.
That is a very healthy fire scream.
And the rash. I mean, I try not to scratch, but maybe some kind of calamine
Nodding.
lotion would help, you know.
You're born a
That nurse. No
Wow.
eating patient.
ate him?
Time
fix
for a
it.
taste of your
Okay.
own medicine.
Is it bubblegum flavored? Hi!
I think I've heard that joke in another show. Rip off. I don't remember what show, but it sounds familiar.
Time for a personality change again, yes?
Stupid idiot. I feel like this might be a reference to something, but I don't know what it is.
Hey, Cloverton, wanna go lick some doorknobs?
It's illegal.
Very close.
Well, on other planets. anyway.
Dr. Steve finally hit the right antidote.
Pumped it straight into the air system.
So the entire base is breathing it in, even as we speak.
Oh, it tastes like sanity.
Of course, with your unique alien biology, it is possible you may experience minor side effects.
Oh, the crunch sound.
Exploding hiccups, fascinating.
I think I just heard a fart sound.
I think I've got it under control.
Okay, I was gonna say this.
Does that guy die?
Okay,
Prisoner of the Dark.
we gotta take a break between episodes. Boy!